Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this video, I will share with you what is Türkiye Bursları and how you can apply for it. Maybe you know, Türkiye Bursları is a free scholarship offered by Turkish government for undergraduate, master and PhD programs. It is really a great opportunity for you to study for free in top-ranked Turkish universities. Applications are between January 10 and February 20. I strongly recommend you not to miss this opportunity. So what are the benefits of Türkiye Bursları? First of all, your accommodation is handled by Turkish government, so you pay nothing for accommodation. Second, you are free from tuition fees. Education is completely free. Third, your health expenses are covered by public health system, so you pay nothing for health insurance. Fourth, all your travel expenses are paid by the Turkish government. So you pay nothing even for your plane tickets. So how are we going to apply for Türkiye Bursları? First, we will go to their official website, Turkiye Bursları Gov.tr. After that, we are going to click Apply Login button. On this page, as you see, there is Register button here. Let's click on it. Now, we are going to fill these spaces according to our passport or ID card. Name. Let's write the most common Turkish name, Mehmet. If you have a middle name, you need to write it here. If you don't have a middle name, just leave it and write your surname here. Let's write the most common Turkish surname here. All right. After that, we need to add our gender. Let's write male, date of birth. Let's say 19 February 1st. And after that, choose your nationality, citizenship. Let's write Germany. All right, then we are going to write our email. All right, then we are going to write it once again. Then Turkish via gmail.com. All right, then we are going to write a password. Be careful, there has to be at least 8 characters, and these characters cannot consist of only numbers or digits. So there will be numbers and letters. Let's write a password. All right, once again. After that, we are going to write a secret question. I want to write favorite city, and the city is Tokyo. I'm not a robot, obviously. And it says, I have read and understood all warnings above. I declare that all information I provided for registration is correct. I approve. Save. Please make sure that your name and surname are correct to be used in formal proceedings. Nationality cannot be changed in the next steps. I approve. Save. Now they are going to send us an email and we are going to check it from our email box. Now let's check our email box. All right. So this is the mail and we need to click on this link to activate our account. And we are going to click on this. Now we write the email first. And then the password. All right, login. So this is our page. We are going to fill all the information here correctly and honestly. After you open this page, the first thing you are going to do is check the language. If you are familiar with any of these languages, you can choose Turkish, English, or any other one. First of all, you will add your personal information here correctly, according to your ID card or passport. And after that, if you have hobbies, you can add them here. And after that, you can add your special talent if you have, right here. After recording everything on every page, don't forget to save. All right, after personal information page, we can continue with the family information. On this page, you add your mother's name, father's name, number of your siblings, if your parents are alive, and the total monthly income of the family. And don't forget to save. Then we will continue with the contact info part, your country, city, your address, passcode, mobile number, phone number, and etc. And also you can add your social media accounts below. And now let's come to the most important part, your education information. Let's check one of them, high school. As you see, the country, city, school, all the information should be filled. And after that, your diploma here and your transcript should be added here. You can take a photo or a photocopy of your diploma and transcript and upload that file to this system. It should be so clear and readable. Be careful about that. Then, another important part, language. You are going to write your native language here. And after that, you are going to add other languages you know, if you know, from here, and the level. And on the below, you can see the Turkish language skills. If you speak Turkish, you are going to choose yes. And after that, you need to prove it. So you need to have a certificate. You choose yes again, and you are going to upload that certificate, that document from here. If you don't have a certificate, then when you come to Turkey, first of all, you are going to have a Turkish exam. If you pass that Turkish exam, then you can start your studies from the first year. But if you don't have a certificate, and if you cannot pass that exam, that means on your first year, you are going to learn Turkish. And on your second year, you will study your studies at the university. So to pass that exam, as much as possible, watch all the videos, especially the grammar videos, and study on them, make practice. Highly possible you can pass this Turkish exam and start your studies from the first year. All right, let's continue with work experience. If you have work experience, you are going to add it here. Also, if you have a CV, you are going to add the CV right from here. An academic qualification. As you see here, it says some universities and programs require results from international delivered exams. This is important. Some of the universities are going to request international exams, the results of international exams from you. If you don't have these results, you cannot start that program. Now let's take a look at the social activities part. Okay, from here, if you have some awards, projects, and certificates, you can add. Also, if you are a part of some voluntary activities, you can add them here too. Now let's take a look at the Turkey experience part. You are going to answer the questions here. If you are living here, if you have relatives here, and etc. You need to answer the questions provided here. And lastly, my applications. When you make your application, you are going to see your application here. And after a while, after the applications are done and evaluation process finishes, you are going to see if you are approved or not. Now let's take a look at the programs. We click from here. And if you click here, we can see all the programs. As you see, total 42 pages. But first, let's write our nationality. We choose Germany. Then let's choose the level here. You can choose master's, PhD. All right. Then which department do we want? For example, let's choose computer engineering. And after that, if we click, we can see all the programs. From here, let's choose computer engineering. And the university we prefer, let's choose Ankara University. Faculty of Engineering, undergraduate scholarship program, application date is here, and special condition being a high school graduate. So if you have a diploma from high school, you can apply for this program to this university. But some other universities can have different qualifications. Let's check another one. For example, Galatasaray University. Faculty of Engineering and Technology Undergraduate Scholarship Program. As you see, there's a special condition here. Being a high school graduate and to be fluent in French, having DALF C1 score. So if you don't have this document, this certificate, and if you cannot prove it, you cannot apply to this faculty, to this university. While making your applications, always check the university and the program and the qualifications. And lastly, my friends, if you want to see all the details about this application process, you can watch this video from the official YouTube page of Türkiye Bursları. I'm going to share this link on the information part. If you have any questions, please write them on the comment section. Wishing you good luck and success. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.